What happens to the moon when no one is looking at it? And it looks like that this has nothing to do with path of knowledge. But a very funny question, but it is totally a path of knowledge question. Like I explained, that what happens to the objects when there is no experience of the object? We are not even talking about the experiencer here. We are talking about the experience part. Obviously, if there is experience, there will be experiencer. Cannot have an experience without the experiencer. So we know that the experience is there. Right now, I am experiencing my room, and their experiencer is also there. Yes, but what about the moon? Is it there or not? What is the opinion of everybody here? Not only moon, whatever is not currently visible to you. Where are these things? Are they really there? I don't think that this is a simple question. This question is there since many thousand years. People still don't know the answer. Even the quantum physicist does not know the answer. You mean it does not exist? So when I look back to the moon, will it appear magically? That is the objection of people. It must be there. That's why, it cannot appear magically if I look at it. You need to now go back to the path of knowledge and remember that the experiencer does not create anything. It is not the creator. But the objects are not already created also. These two statements are examples of negative knowledge. See carefully. There is no creator and nothing is created. Can we say anything more? Agnostic, yes. This is full knowledge. Don't worry, you will never know anything more than this. Do not worry about these things. So it is wrong to say that the moon gets created when I look at it. It is totally absurd, stupid idea. Nothing gets created. And what happens to it when you are not looking at it? No knowledge. Because knowledge happens only by experience. Remember this thing. So it is imaginary situation, correct? We imagine that it is there. There is another explanation that it is there as a potential, because everything in this existence is actually a potential. It is potentially there. There is a potential to appear as an illusory object. So there is a good potential there that it will appear. There is a chance. However, it may not. Remember, everything is changing. Never forget these things. Moon is also changing. The thing is, it is changing so slow that it is impossible to imagine that it will not be there when I look. Now, take an example of, let us say, tomato. Or tomato. Let us say somebody is very hungry in your house and you put a tomato there. You look at the tomato is there. But you go to kitchen to bring something, somebody ate it. Let us say, imagine like this. No tomato now. It's gone. Why? Because changing thing, it can go anytime. If you say that there is no time, just like we discussed initially in the meeting, if you say that there is no time is itself an illusion or it's a concept, then everything has already disappeared because it is changing. Is it mind-bending? Yes. Mind-blowing? Yes. We cannot understand these things, isn't it? Moon is chosen by philosophers, many scientists and all, because it is relatively stable and nobody will eat it. It won't be destroyed tomorrow, hopefully. So it is chosen, and that complicates the matter. Instead of moon, if you take a perishable or impermanent thing, then the answer becomes very clear that it is momentary appearance. Can we say more than that? People don't know these answers. Only on path of knowledge you will get a satisfactory answer. No scientist will tell you. No philosopher, even the most intelligent person in the universe will not be able to tell you if this knowledge is not there about the emptiness, impermanence, and infinite potential. Actually, what can happen is, if you look to the sky tonight, it is possible that you will see 2 or 3 moons. It is possible. There is a possibility like this. Those who are living in other planets, on other planets, for them, this is the truth. What is not possible? Everything. So the reverse is also possible. That when you are not looking, assuming that there is only one moon in the sky, you see tomorrow you can find 5 or 6 moons. Because anything can appear. And because these moons and suns are relatively stable from the human point of view, We never think like this. However, you go to your garden tomorrow and you will see that 2 or 3 more flowers are there now. Probably more flowers have bloomed which were not there when you're not looking. Who created them? We have stories, but possibility is there. Anything can appear, anything can disappear. It is unknowable actually.